Until we've updated all of our tutorials, some of them will look a little out of date. Here's what's changed. The sidebar. Game objects live in the media sidebar. Access Marketplace packs from the media sidebar by clicking Explore Marketplace and upload your own game art by clicking Upload Media. Create and edit scripts from the Code sidebar. You can still right-click on an object and select Add Script, as before. Levels have been condensed into numbered circles. Level properties are accessible via the cog on each level in the Level sidebar. You can drag level handles up and down to reorder them. The top level is your first level and the bottom level is your last level. Variables in the script editor. We've split up variables, global variables, and local variables into their own tabs. If you are unsure what to use, start off with plain variables. You can create new variables by clicking on Create Variable. If you want to change the data type for a variable, you will need to delete the variable and make a new one. This prevents accidentally breaking widely used variables in your scripts. Game settings. You can change your game's name, description, thumbnail, and resolution from the Game Settings button in the secondary bar underneath the Edit menu.